I'm Beth in the Urban Accents Kitchen, and I am here to show you our new plant-powered meatless mixes. Whether you're looking to eat a little healthier or maybe reduce your environmental impact, more and more of you are looking for meatless meal options. So your culinary wingman is here to show you how to make it easy and delicious. Each of our plant-based mixes is made with protein from soybeans, and one pouch replaces 1 pound of ground meat in some of your favorite go-to recipes. The process is simple. Pour the pre-seasoned mix into a bowl, stir in 1 cup of hot water, and then set it aside for about 5 minutes while the mixture rehydrates. Time to make our Smokin' Chipotle taco. Our mixture is rehydrated and ready to go, and while it hydrated, I prepped some ingredients. For this recipe, you're gonna need 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. You're going to need 1 green pepper chopped, 1 onion chopped, and the whole pouch of rehydrated meatless mix. I have a skillet heating over medium-high heat. I'm gonna add all 3 tablespoons of oil. Onions going in, peppers going in. We'll saute these peppers and onions until they're softened and translucent, probably 4 or 5 minutes. It's time to add our rehydrated mixture. I'm gonna pour that straight into the pan, just the whole thing. Stir it all around, get everything mixed together, and then we're gonna let it cook for about 6 minutes, stirring occasionally. When it hits the pan, you can really smell the fire roasted chipotle flavor, the onion and garlic and cumin. It has a really great Southwest feel, perfect for tacos. It's browned and ready to go. It's time to build a taco. I have all of our favorite toppings here. So I'm gonna take a little of this filling and put it into each of these flour tortillas. This pouch will make about 6 tacos. This size of tortilla, you probably have more like 8 or 10. Time for our favorite toppings. We really like pickled onion. There's a nice tang. We also like crumbled cheese. It's a plant-based mix, but there are no rules here. If you like cheese on your tacos, we say go for it. We also like some fresh jalapeno, and everything needs just a little bit of bright herbiness. So we've got some cilantro on here as well. Let's give it a try. Oh, it's so good. The texture is so hearty and chewy. It's kind of like ground turkey, and the flavor is fantastic. It's bold and smoky. It would be really good in a burrito. I could definitely see it in a taco salad. If you enjoyed the Smokin' Chipotle tacos, be sure to check out our other meatless mixes. And for recipes and more, visit urbanaccents.com. We've got your back in the kitchen. It is so good.
I'm still going.
It is really good. It's wild.